Okay, today we're talking about a carbon monoxide meter. You can see it has a belt clip, battery operated. The range is from 0 to 1,000 parts per million. Runs on AAA batteries. Push the on button. I bought this one for $35 on Amazon.com. See, it has a light that lights up the screen. It tells you in real time the carbon monoxide level in the air as well as the air temperature. Great tool for service technicians or for homeowners if you're concerned about the carbon monoxide levels in your building or your home.